This is a sea turtle. Sea turtles live in the ocean, in warm waters all around the world. A sea turtle has 4 flippers. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4. They use their flippers to swim through the water. Sea turtles eat lots of different things. They love to eat jellyfish, seaweed, and tiny sea creatures like crabs, snails, and worms. Delicious and nutritious. Sea turtles are very old animals. They have lived on Earth for a very, very long time, even longer than dinosaurs. And here's something magical. A mama sea turtle swims all the way back to the same beach where she was born, just to lay her eggs. When the babies hatch, they crawl across the sand and into the big, wide ocean, all by themselves. That's so brave. Sea turtles are beautiful, wonderful animals. Bye bye, sea turtle.